Welcome back to Add Art. On today's Add Art we're going to be drawing one of my favourite fish, the great white shark. So let's make a start, shall we? First we'll start with the shark's nose. It comes up round the head. Just stop there for the dorsal fin that comes up. We'll put a little nick in it as though it's been in some scrapes. Okay, let's finish the face here. So it comes up and round into a smile. We're going to make this quite a friendly great white shark. Put its eye in. It's looking down. Put its nostril in. They've got very good sense of smell. Put its mouth gaping open here. Round to its bottom jaw. Put its other fin in here. Take this all the way down towards the tail. Fan it out at the end. This huge tail, propel it through the oceans. Take that all the way up to the top here. Now, great white sharks get their name from this white underbelly, so let's put that marking onto it. All the way to the end there. We'll put the gills in. Now, we're famous for having these 300 sharp teeth, and they're in 7 rows. Put those in. This is the first row. We're not going to draw all 7, that would take far too long. But we can put another row, I think, just behind this one. Makes it look a bit more like a great white. Slightly scarier. Use these teeth to eat seals and sea lions and some small whales. Okay. We'll put a little fish in front of it. Now, I don't want you to worry about this fish. It's not going to get eaten because this is a pilot fish. And what's remarkable about a pilot fish is they live quite happily side by side next to the great white, and they look after each other. The small pilot fish cleans the teeth and parasites off the great white, and the great white looks after the pilot fish so it doesn't get eaten by bigger fish. So they have this kind of symbiotic relationship and are best friends. Some of this under the sea there. Some detail on the tail. I think that's it for today. That's a nice quick one. There is our great white shark and a little pilot fish friend. Hope you've enjoyed drawing along with that one today. Do remember to subscribe. When you do, you're the first to see when I've released a new video. Also, if you have enjoyed drawing along with this, please do give me a like, as it really helps my channel out and helps other people get to see Add Art. And finally, if you know anyone else who loves to draw, then share this video with them, or find another one on Add Art channel and share that with them. But that's it for today. Be sure to check out all the other Add Art tutorials, and I'll see you again next time on Add Art. Bye for now.